Okay, starting with problem number 1, we have the multiplication of two mixed numbers. 1 and 3/4 multiplied by 3 and 5/7. So the first step is to convert both of these mixed numbers to complex fractions. We do that by multiplying the outside number by the denominator and adding the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, keeping the same denominator over 4. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 5 is 26, also keeping the same denominator over 7. Next thing we ask ourselves is if there are numbers in the numerator and denominator that have common factors. In this case, yes, 7 and 7 have a common factor of 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 4 and 26 have common factors. That common factor is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. No, that's not a common factor. That common factor is 2. Start over. So just erase it.
Write this first in big letters, write the word redo so that as you're scanning through it, you can see that number.
Redo.
And then you can clear the game from the screen. Sorry.
Okay, here we have the multiplication of two mixed numbers, 1 and 3/4 times 3 and 5/7. The first step is to convert both of these mixed numbers to complex fractions. We do that by multiplying the outside number by the denominator, 1 times 4, and adding the numerator, keeping the same denominator. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, keeping the complex fraction over 4. Multiplied by 3 and 5/7. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 5 is 26. Also keeping the same denominator of 7. The next step is to ask ourselves if we have any common factors between numbers in the numerator and numbers in the denominator. 7 and 7 both have a common factor of 7. Therefore, 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 4 and 26 also have common factors of 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Final answer is 13 over 2. On to number 2. Here we have 8 fractions multiplied in a row. 2/3 times 3/4 times 4/5 times 5/6 times 6/7 times 7/8 times 8/9 times 5/7. Now we're basically on the last step when we're trying to find common factors from the previous problem, number 1. And here, the common factors are easy to see, in that they're right next to each other diagonally. The first set, 3 and 3, both have a common factor of 3, so these cross out to be 1. 4 and 4 cross out to be 1. 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8 and 8. And then we're left with 2 times 5 over 9 times 7. So then we ask ourselves, do 2, 5, or 9, and 9 and 7, any pairs of those numbers in the numerator and pairs of those numbers in the denominator, have any common factors? It turns out not. So your answer is just the numerator, 2 times 5 is 10. And the denominator, 9 times 7 is 63. And your answer is, final answer, 10 over 63.